Australia is paying up to $10,000 for construction workers. 2026 opportunity. Australia, construction jobs, visa sponsorship, $10,000 relocation support. What if I tell you that the Australian government is ready to support overseas construction workers with up to 10,000 Australian dollars just to help them relocate and work in Australia? Now listen carefully to this. This is real. And this is where it gets interesting. There's a government program in Western Australia called the Construction Visa Subsidy Program, meant for anyone interested. In today's video, I will explain everything to you in simple English. What this program is, who can apply, what jobs are needed, how the money is paid, and how you can apply step by step. I will drop the direct link before the end of this video, so please don't skip any part of this video. So, if you are a construction worker or you know someone in construction, please share this video with them right now and subscribe now to keep you informed with the latest update on immigration. Okay, what is this program about? Let's break this down slowly. This program is created by the Western Australian government. Right now, Western Australia does not have enough construction workers. And when a government says shortage, it usually means opportunity. They need people to build houses, roads, buildings, infrastructure. Because of this shortage, the government decided to help employers and skilled workers by giving financial support. This support has a name. This support is called the Construction Visa Subsidy Program. The money is meant to help cover visa application fees, migration agent fees, flight tickets, relocation and settlement costs. The maximum support is 10,000 Australian dollars. But before you get too excited, let me be very clear. I don't like misleading people. This is not money they give you before you travel. This money is paid after you arrive in Australia, after you start work, and you stay on the job for some time. The money is paid in stages, not all at once. Now that you understand that, let's talk about who can actually apply. There are two main ways this program works. Let's start with the first one, employer-sponsored pathway. This pathway is for construction companies in Western Australia. If an employer in WA is doing real construction work and sponsors a skilled worker from overseas, the employer can receive up to $10,000 to help with the worker's visa and relocation costs. This applies to workers on visas like Visa 482, Visa 494, Visa 186. Simple English? So if a company sponsors you, they can claim this subsidy. Now, if you don't have an employer yet, don't worry. Let's look at the second one. State nomination pathway for skilled migrants. This one is for skilled workers who are nominated by Western Australia. This applies to people on Visa 190, Visa 491. If you are approved under WAVA state nomination and you work in construction, you can personally receive the subsidy. Now, let's talk money, because I know that's what you're waiting for. If you apply from outside Australia and get nominated, $5,000 when you start work, $5,000 after working for 6 months. Yes, you heard that correctly. Total, $10,000. Now, let me talk to those already inside Australia. If you are already in Australia, $2,500 when you start work, $2,500 after 6 months. Total, $5,000. Now, listen carefully to the rules. You must meet these conditions. Your job must be on the eligible list. Only construction-related jobs qualify. Your employer must be in Western Australia. The job must be physically located in WAVA. Your visa must be recent. Your visa must have been lodged or granted on or after July 1, 2023. You cannot double dip. If you are already receiving another WAVA relocation incentive, you may not qualify. Now, let's talk about the actual jobs. What jobs are eligible? Now listen carefully, besties. If you work with your hands, this part is for you. Trade jobs: carpenter, carpenter and joiner, bricklayer, plumber, electrician, painter, tiler, wall and floor, plasterer, cabinet maker, scaffolder, crane operator, excavator operator, loader operator. And it's not just trade workers. Technical and professional jobs: civil engineer, structural engineer, quantity surveyor, surveyor, construction project manager, building inspector. If your job is in construction, there's a very high chance it is on the list. Now let me show you how to apply step by step. Step 1. Check your job. First, check if your occupation is on the eligible construction occupation list. I will put the official government link in the description and pinned comment. Once that's confirmed, move to step 2. Choose your pathway. You have two options. Option A, state nomination, no employer at first. Submit expression of interest, WAVA selects you, you apply for Visa 190 or 491. Or you can take the employer route. Option B, employer sponsorship. Apply directly to construction jobs in WAVA. Employer sponsors you. You apply for Visa 482, Visa 494, Visa 186. You can do both at the same time. Now this next step is very important. Step 3, skills assessment. Very important. Viewers, hear this clearly. No skills assessment, no Australia. I need that to sink in. Your skills assessment is one of the most important documents. Without it, you cannot be nominated, you cannot be sponsored, you cannot move forward. This is where many people fail. Next, step 4, English test. Make sure you meet the English language requirement for your visa. Once that's sorted, you move to step 5, apply for visa. Once you get nomination or employer sponsorship, you apply for your visa. And finally, step 6, start work and claim the money. After you arrive and start work, you submit proof of employment, you receive your first payment. After 6 months, you receive the balance. Now, let me protect you from scams. Where do you apply? All applications and information are on the official Western Australia government website. Please do not trust WhatsApp agents or random websites. I will put the official website link, eligible occupation list, application pages in the description and pinned comment. Always verify from government websites. Now, why should you take this seriously? 1. Real money support. $10,000 is not small money. It can help you settle faster. And that's not all. Family can move with you. Most of these visas allow you to move with your spouse, your children. And here's the long-term benefit. Pathway to permanent residence. If you are below 45, try state nomination. If you are above 45, focus on employer sponsorship. Best advice? Do job applications and EOI at the same time. Do not wait for one option to fail before trying another. Besties, Australia is still recruiting skilled workers. Construction is one of the top priority sectors. This opportunity is time-sensitive. Government programs can change at any time. So if this applies to you, if your job is on that list, take action now. Check the official website, start preparing your documents. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, share with someone in construction. Official links are in the description and pinned comment. I wish you success, clarity, and smooth relocation. I will see you in the next video. Bye, and good luck.